Charlie, so today I go shoot my boys some video where we finish. We decide say we go pass through Daddy Boba. Go buy some boba because nowadays boba the trend. So then we won't go buy some, take quench, wanna test. So we go buy that thing where I realize this thing is just 4 ingredients. The boba pearls, be tapioca, then your milk. I'm like, nah, fuck this. I go fit do this for house. So I go buy my things. Tapioca, brown sugar. Then me I not go do tea. Me I they want do boba yogurt drink. So tapioca, brown sugar, then yogurt. So watch and learn.